No, babe, no.
So, oh, is it this?
Didn't you hear me say it was the first time I talked to him in a long time? I haven't talked to him in forever.
And so calm and sweet on the phone. I haven't talked to you in a long while. How are you doing? Nice to hear from you.
I have no reason to be rude. Why? Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. I'm back with another one. I just had a thought. Okay, Father's Day is coming up and Akeen is in the shower. And I said, okay, I need to start doing some pranks here because he's been getting me quite a bit here. So it's my turn to get him. So I thought I'm going to pretend that I'm talking to my ex on the phone just to get his reaction. But it's just a prank. I'm not really talking to anyone. So let's see how this goes. He's probably going to get really mad, but I don't know. But I got to think of something to do. So let's see how it goes. And guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And hit the notification bell. And we really, really appreciate your support. And we always keep God first in our life in everything that we do. He's at the driver's seat of our life. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll see how this goes. Hey. Yeah. I know, I haven't talked to you in a long time. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Really? Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, Father's Day was coming, so I was thinking maybe we could get you a couple of gifts. Yeah. What did you want for Father's Day? Oh, really? Oh, I suppose I could get that for you. Yeah. Yeah. I know, right? Oh, stop. Really? Really? Oh, wow. Yeah, it's been a long time, I know. I've been missing you. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Yeah. So that's all you want for Father's Day? Okay. Oh, I'm sure we can make sure that happens. Yeah. I can't believe I'm talking to you right now. It's been so long. Yeah. Yeah. Well, maybe one day.
Hello.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I think I hung up.
You think you hung up? Who is
Oh.
that? Who is that?
It was no one, babe.
You think I'm an idiot? You in the bathroom, you never know some, you remember some of bed. You never remember some of bed.
Babe, it was nobody.
So is a ghost I heard in the room talking? Is a ghost I heard? Oh, how are you? How are you? Father's Day. Father's Day is coming up. I haven't talked to you in a long while. How you doing? Nice to hear from you again.
Maybe
So,
you're hearing
my
things.
my ear is hearing things.
It was nobody.
Redeem yourself before me. I have to redeem it out of you. Who was that you're talking to? Who was that you're talking to, Miss Madam?
It's nobody you have to be worried about.
Myself. But they at the door there, sir. I was at the door right there, and I pulled my clothes, and you are so tuned into your phone. You're so focused to your phone. So you're not even hearing me and fold up my dirty clothes them. And you go tell me, say it's nobody. You think I am a dumb? I ask you every day if you think I am a dummy.
No, I don't think
What do you think I am?
I don't think you're a dummy.
So I'm going to ask you once more. Who was that you're speaking to on the phone? Telling them, oh, I haven't talked to you in a long while.
It was my ex, babe.
It was it what?
My ex.
So, how is it now you're so comfortable to talk to your ex while I'm in the shower bathing? See, you've been doing this when I'm going to work at night time.
No.
These are the things that when I'm going to work at daytime, and them something you're here doing while I am out working. Huh?
No, babe, no.
So who is it?
Didn't you hear me say it was the first time I talked to him in a long time? I haven't talked to him in forever.
I'm so calm and sweet on the phone. I haven't talked to you in a long while. How are you doing? Nice to hear from you.
I have no reason to be rude. Why would I be rude? I don't be rude to no one.
So why your voice have to be extra sweet on the phone? Why?
Because I'm not a rude person.
What?
I'm not a rude person. I'm a nice person.
You can be a nice person and come off normal, not extra fabulous. Oh, I haven't heard from you in a long while. How you doing? 4 days coming up. So I am not a father. Your husband is not a father.
Of course you are, and you're going to be treated really good on Father's Day. You got no worries about that.
I don't want any treat from you if you're going to treat somebody else. May I make sure to tell you from now, because I don't share my woman with nobody. And I'm keep on telling this baby, I don't share. I share food and them something there. But my woman, me and no other man now enter in my woman. Me and no other man is not sharing the same woman.
Okay.
So me go ask you again, what was the reason of the phone call? You keep on a laugh and a smile.
The reason for the phone call is you have been pranking me lately, and I had to think about something to prank you. So I made up the whole thing. Babe, I would never talk to my ex like that. I never talked to my ex ever.
Yes, you make them a tremble.
Babe, it was a prank.
You saw me let them a jump up and down.
Okay, but you know what? This is a prank war. So you know what? We are going to bring it. You bring it to me and I bring it to you. So.
Not with the ex.
Oh, well, it's the ex is the one I chose today. And it worked. Look at the good reaction I got.
Where camera ready?
It's blending in with your bag. Your bag? See where your bag is there? It's right there.
Yeah, work feet. Yeah, work. It's alright. Yeah,
get the camera. It's right there.
Yeah, work feet. Look at shit. Yo. It's alright. It's alright, guys. You see how she behave? You see how she go on? It's alright. But me have something for her, you know. I have something for her. Can't stay there. Alright.
Guys, remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share.
It's all fun and joke. until me get back her. It's alright.
Prank war, prank war. Team Jen, Team Jen.
It's alright. Peace out, guys.
Ireland boss, and me represent for Akeen and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?